How to fix Play Store not working on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Sky Studio. And if the Play Store is not opening, freezing or having any kind of problem, then here is how you can fix the problem at once. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the Play Store not working problem, the very first thing that you have to do is just need to find out the Play Store application. So if you have the Play Store on your home screen, or you can swipe up and you can find out the Play Store from the list. And once you get the Play Store, go ahead and press and hold the Play Store like this, and then simply go and tap on this eye icon from here. And once you select that, this will get into the app information. From the app information, you just need to scroll down a little bit and tap on Stores first. And once you tap on Stores, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. And once you do that, just go ahead and tap on Clear Data as well. Don't worry, this will not delete any data from the Play Store. You just need to go and tap on Delete, and you just need to get back from here, then restart your phone once. And once you restart your phone, most likely your Play Store problem will be fixed. But if in any case, if you found there you still have the same problem, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. Go ahead and press and hold the Play Store once again, and then tap on this I button. And from the app info, you just need to go ahead and tap on this three dot line at the top right. And you'll get to see the uninstall update. So if the Play Store is not working, then it might be the issue that it's causing from the recent update. So you just need to uninstall the recent update. So to do that, you can tap on uninstall update here, and then go and tap on OK, and this will actually uninstall the recent update, and you just need to restart your phone once again, and most likely a Play Store problem will be fixed. And this is how you actually can fix the problem. Hope this fixed your problem. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out.